Hey guys, Alpha Wolf here. What the hell was that? Let's look for something to sing about in the fridge. Yay, fridge! Let's see what we have here on the bottom shelf drawers. Onions and pepperoni. Doesn't seem too pleasant at all. Therefore, don't feel like opening that. Let's see what's on the bottom shelf. It's fucking stop door. See what's on the bottom shelf. Some fried chicken and coleslaw and mayonnaise. This seems weird and nothing of interest to me. Let's see what's in here. That's some noodles and shit I don't know about. Yogurt and cottage cheese. I see to drink on the top shelf. I see some mango and Smucker's jam or jelly, whatever you are. I don't give a fuck. And Walter's grape shit juice. What are we gonna get? Orange juice, iced tea, or water? Fuck it, get apple juice. Not caring. Got shit prepared. Got the cup. Yeah, we go one-handed. Boss, man. Yeah. Alright, this is gonna be horrible. Get it? Get it, yeah. Nailed it. Alright. Fuck singing now. We have accomplished our mission with some apple juice out of the fridge. Anyway, this video was inspired by Jordan Griffin and Paige. Fuck. Forgot the name. Paige Ledger. Knew I'd remember at some point. Anyway, guys, Alpha Wolf out.